Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the prediction of your IELTS 12th June exam. So, if you are going to appear on 12th June 2025 IELTS exam, then don't forget to watch this video because in this video, I'm going to cover everything for your listening, reading, and writing exam. Also, if you are going to appear on computer-based IELTS exam, then definitely I'll give you the tips for that too. But again, the only ask is for each and every individual, please, if you are visiting our channel first time, then definitely please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also share this video with your friends who is going to appear in IELTS uh, exam on 12th June 2025. And also, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to join our WhatsApp group. And if you are looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then again, we are here for you. But again, the only ask is for each and every individual, you need to subscribe this channel. And uh, that's all for the subscription wise. Now let's get more start your IELTS exam predictions. So IELTS predictions are generally based on the trends from the recent test. However, I can share the common topics which is always you see in the exams, and also based on our research, these are the important topics which you can have it and you can see it in your IELTS exam. And if you find that our previous feedbacks from the students, then which prediction we already did that was true. So please, you can rely on our prediction, and this prediction is also for each and every city in India wherever they conduct the IELTS exam, whether it is academic or the general training exam. This prediction is applicable for all. If even though if you are going to appear in computer-based IELTS exam, then definitely you can again rely on this prediction. Now, let's get started with the modules. First, the listening module. So, first, I'll just let you know about the listening module prediction. But again, before that, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So now the listening module. So listening module, you can see the six main types of questions that is listed here. Is the multiple choice question answers, that is choose the right letter in that, like A, B, C, D. You have four options. You need to select one in there. Matching or multiple choice question answers, again here you need to choose again the right letter. So it can be letter capital to small, or maybe Romans to letter A, B, C, D. So it depends, right? And then the next is the diagram, plan, and map. So here you can choose the right letter, or maybe they can ask you the word. Okay, so there's a couple of options. If there's a map, they were asking you about the location, then definitely they can ask you about that the word wise. Okay, next is our form, FORM, and table. So this is fill in word, and then number. So word and number both are, you can, they can ask you in the word also, they can ask you in the number also. You need to fill that in the table, or they can also provide you a form which you can use that. Next is sentence completions. And sentence completion, you can see that fill in the word and number again. And sometimes they ask you to complete that sentence with two or three words, or one or two or three kind of a line. Okay. And the last part is the short answer, that is fill in the word and number. So these are the different types which you can see in your IELTS exam in listening side. Now, the next question is everybody asks how the exam level or what type of question they can expect. So now let's move forward to see what type of questions and what type of topics you can expect in this listening exam. So before that, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. So now listening is same for academic and journal, because this time both students are going to appear in this exam. Please, all these predictions are for computer based IELTS exam and computer and paper pen based IELTS exam. So part one is form completion. The topic you can expect that booking a taxi, hotel reservation, and service inquiry. And the tip here is focus on the spellings, focus on the numbers and dates. And this part is you can expect a little bit if I can say, not too much hard. It's easy. Okay, so please pay attention when you are preparing your exam, because it might be gives you a little bit. Yeah, that's my note says that you can expect that easy. Part two, if we talk about that, is matching or map labeling. So in here you can expect the topic city tour, library layout, or workplace orientation. So tip is here, prepare for directions, vocabulary. So my next video is based on this one. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, because here you can get that opportunity to learn more and more. Okay, so my next video will be on the topic of your directions, vocabulary. So if you are looking for the vocabulary, so yeah, if you are looking for that vocabulary, then you can just stay here and come back again, move ahead but come back again to see the vocabulary. So behind the next, you can behind next or to cross from. So kind of these tips, you these type of vocabulary you need to prepare. So level of this part two is going to be easy to moderate. So easy to moderate means the directions. Sometimes students, they are confused for the direction wise, like what the front is, what the back is, where is the middle, where's the between. So they were sometimes they were using the multiple repetitions are there for the vocabulary. So please keep in your mind, don't repeat your word, because it will lose your marks. You can lose your marks when you repeat it word after and after and after. So this is kind of one tip, which don't repeat any of your word if you already use that one. So please watch my video once you are done with this one. In my next video, might be tomorrow. All right, so next is this part, you can expect easy to moderate. Now next is part three, student discussion or tutorial. So this is a topic, and also you can have more topic underneath of this one: research project or group task, or tip is here to expect change opinions, and use of synonyms. Yes, that's the ask here. So in this part they can ask you multiple choice question answers and match the information. Okay, so these are could be the topic for so if you are practicing right now, please find these topics in your Cambridge book and just practice all those topics. Okay, and this part is going to be easy this time. Part four, lecture. So part four is lecture. So mainly part four is fill-ups and monologues about the scientific or academic topics, but mainly on the lecture. And the topics are also, you can add up, I'm going to add up more technology, health, or environment science. So tip is here for practice note completion, especially noun and adjective. So these are the important topic here. Or now we can, if we can talk about the level of this part, is going to be easy to moderate. So if we talk about overall listening level, so overall listening level is going to be um, easy to moderate. So please pay attention on your vocabulary words, for your synonyms, and for opinions. Okay, so always keep your opinion positive, but it depends on the topic, what type of topic is there. So if you need any help, please write down in the comment section. I'm here to help you out for that. Now, moving forward to the reading part, but again, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. And also, if you are looking for the answer key, then we will definitely provide you that too. So now, academic reading predictions. So here, as we already mentioned, passage one, you can expect true false, not given sentence completion or fill-ups. So here, passage is based on factual, means fact-based information, and scientific information. And topic, you can expect that plant, animals, or an invention. So question type, as I mentioned, true, false, not given, and matching. So please pay attention, very close attention on this one. And if we talk about passage one, their level of exam. So the level of exam is going to be easy to moderate this time. So please pay attention on the facts, okay? Because sometimes you know the information, you are aware, but again, when you are not providing the right fact, then definitely you will get wrong answer, okay? So you will lose your marks there. So please pay attention on the fact, okay? And passage two is question type, as you know, that is always matching headings and sentence completion. And here the main thing you can see in your passage expected topics is going to be mainly this passage is based on the research or case study. So case study and research topic, you can expect workplace psychology or innovation. And this part, you can expect a little easier than the first part, because research and psychology or innovation is kind of easy for the people who is already in work, or you are looking for your parents, right? If there's a mental pressure, how you can see that, or innovation, if something is going on, that's the type of questions. So levels, you can expect that easy for passage two. And now passage three, if we talk about passage three, then here the topic question type first. Let's talk about the question type is multiple choice questions, yes, no, and not given. So here the main type of paragraph, you can expect that abstract and analytical information. And topic, you can expect human behavior, art, or language. So this is also going to be easy for you. If we talk about overall, so if we talk about overall level of this exam, so overall level of this exam is going to be easy. Usually students always say that reading is the toughest part, they always lose the marks over there. But this time you can expect your reading exam a little easier, but again, not to be lenient, okay? Don't be lenient. Please practice whatever you are doing right now, and also practice fast track readings, okay? And different accent readings, because if the things are easy, then these things, accent and also the speed, can makes you or gives you the hard time. All right, so now moving forward to the next part. But again, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because in that way, you can help us help our community. All right, so now let's see the general training student, because general training student also have their reading prediction for them. So section one, you can prepare your section one for the social survival, ads, leaflets, public info. And question type, you can expect that matching names, info, and fill in the blanks. For general students, question section two, workplace contest, memos, policies, and notices. Topic, you can expect that staff benefit, trainings, and safety rules. So question type, you can expect here for matching sentence completion. Okay, and here, the part of the exam, you can expect a little easier than the section one. So section one is easy to moderate, and section two will be easy. Section three is long text, general interest. You can say that topic, opinion articles, or historical information. And type of questions you can expect here is multiple choice question answer, and yes, no, and not given. So this part is going to be easy to moderate. So overall, if we talk about for the general training students, your exam will be easy to moderate, because you need to definitely practice on your vocabulary words, and your speed, and your synonyms, and also you need to fast tracks and some accents, okay? So these are the tips for you guys. And now, writing. If we talk about the writing task one, so writing task one is prediction. The writing task one prediction is for the academic students are likely to be bar chart, pie chart, and map comparisons. So tip here for focus on the clear comparisons and overview statement. Okay, so this is very very important for you guys when you are going to appear for your academic task one. So you can find this information there in easy, but bar, pie, and map is your important for your upcoming IELTS exam. And if you are going to peer, oh, okay. So if you are no first visitor on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and please share this video with your friends who is going to appear in IELTS interview, because we are also preparing the students for the English speaking courses and job interviews and IELTS interviews too. All right. So next is for general training students. So possible topics for you for letter is write to the company, request more information about the product, write to your landlord about a repair issues, write a local newspaper about the community issues. So these are the topics for the general training student. Whether you are going to appear uh, on CBT, means computer based test, or even though you are going for paper based exam. These are the important topic for the general training students. Please prepare yourself for your IELTS exam. And writing task 2. So writing task 2 is very important task. Here is your theme to expect for this IELTS exam: technology and jobs. Some people think technology makes life more complicated, while the other believes it makes life easier. Discuss the both views. Second is education. Students should focus on a limited range of subjects. Others says they should study a wide variety. Discuss both views and give your opinion. And the third one is for social trends, that health, um, and then people. Okay, so people today are less physically active than in the past. Why is this? What can you be done to solve this problem? Conditions, time management is really really important. Improve your ability to complete the sections within the allotted time, and also seek feedbacks. If possible, have your writing and speaking practices reviewed by the instructor or peers like the buddy, or if we are also here to help you out for that. But again, the only thing what we needed from you to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends, because I also need your support to grow this channel, and also need help to grow our community. Okay, so in that way we can help each other. So please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for um, watching this video, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you everyone, and I'll